This is crazy sand. Holy shit. Whoa. Whoa. What? Oh, whoa. Some traction. The fuck was that? Thing with sand is you got to be extra careful. Oh, whoa. Sand. Whoa. And that's where it ends. Wow. Growing up, this was the scene. Growing up, learning how to swim over here. This is where we all started, all the young fellas. Wow, a well for all this agricultural land. Well, I'll keep puttering and I'll see if I can figure out a way out of this. Oh, oh, a trench. Irrigation. Oh, this is crazy. Woo! Wow. That's the best thing about owning the Himalayan. Wow, what a tractor, buddies, what a tractor. I just can't thank this machine enough. Takes me just about anywhere. Anywhere. This is not a rant. This is just about an observation. Every time I'm fixing things, I see a lot of interest on my channel. People are interested to watch how I fix things. But what follows after that is a beautiful ride. These ride videos, I have a section, a playlist called Off-Road Riding, and that has very few views. I don't understand why. Should I be as good as Chris Birch, or should I be as good as the next big thing out there for you guys to watch my videos? Should I edit my videos in such a way that every frame looks like a death wish? Only then will you consume or watch these videos. I don't understand that. Why can't a guy just be out there having a nice time, showing you tricks and talking to you about how to maneuver, how to move around on off-road terrain? Why can't that be interesting enough? I watch a lot of fellows who putter around. It's because the art of puttering is how it starts. It starts only through puttering around. If you are consistent with your throttling, if you're consistent with your braking, and you're not just doing this and this, you will be able to conquer any kind of landscape. It's going easy that matters more than going hard. Yeah, of course I do a lot of hard riding where the ground allows for it, but then 90% of it boils down to how subtly do you take on landscape, and how little you burn your clutch doing that. So there's a lot that goes on in my ride videos which can benefit all of you if you guys watch those videos closely. How and why also accompanies pretty much most of my ride videos. How to do this, how to do that, why to do this, why not to do that, all the little bits and pieces of advices that I can share with all of you. I've always seen to it that I don't hold back anything. And so don't just consume the fix-it, the DIYs. Consume more of people doing riding, people going to these places, because that is a lot of effort. And making videos, do consume a lot of ride videos. That makes a better rider. Don't use these bikes as eye candy pieces, just museum pieces. Polish them, make them look fine and neat and clean, and then just keep it there parked in your garage. Never take it out. That is not how it is. I maintain my bike. It's in spick span condition. It's top notch. It does all that I wanted to do, and yet I give it a thrashing of a lifetime. I use it as a motorcycle. It's a motorcycle. It's not an antique piece to be sitting in my garage and for people to come and wave a hi at it. It's a bloody motorcycle. It's the world's equivalent to freedom. Use these machines. And when they give up on you, yes, of course you can go in for the next one. But until they give up on you, don't disrespect them. Love them. Take care of them. Maintain them well. And thrash them when needed. Take your bloody Himagis. Go out there. Be on the open roads. Jump into some unknown territory, uncharted territory. Explore it for a bit until it starts getting uncomfortable. That's the key. The moment your senses start working and they say enough is enough, listen to them. Turn back. You will figure your way out. The day will not have died. It would still be, the sun would still be out there for you. You will figure it out. Don't push it beyond that. I've pushed it beyond that multiple times, and I've been stranded in the woods, in forests, and I've gotten myself into real bad position. Figuring my way back out has been a nightmare. But that's another piece of advice. Don't push it beyond that gut feeling. The gut feeling that comes up saying, yep, time to get back to base. Listen to that. And that's all as far as the advices go. Any which ways, if this helped, it helped. Ben signing out for now. We'll be back with another one, another fix-it video. And once my shoulder has gone through a surgery, once it is healed, I'll start riding hard enduro. I'm dying to do crazy, challenging stuff. Because the machine is there, the machine is right there. So it's dying too, poor thing. It's just begging for some real hardcore enduro. Anyways, that'll be it. Ben signing out for now. Ciao.